In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Information and Culture appreciates the political analysts. The first secretary of the Embassy of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Doha participated at the opening of Qatar's Shura Council session. And the extension of Turkish troops deployment in Syria and Iraq for another 3 years. Welcome to our today news package. It's Wednesday, the 29th of Rabiul Thani 1447, the 30th of Mizan 1404, and the 22nd of October 2025. The news details. The Minister of Information and Culture, in a formal ceremony, expressed appreciation for the activities and support of the political analysts during the recent events. In his address at the event, Sheikh Sher Ahmad Haqqani, the Minister of Information and Culture, stated that the Afghan nation is stood united and resolute in support of the system, demonstrating to the world that Afghanistan is a unified nation that will not permit any foreign aggression. He further emphasized that the Islamic Emirate, as a free and independent system, has engaged in negotiations with the global powers and courageously has defended the rights of the Afghan people. Meanwhile, Maulavi Hayatullah Muhajir Farahid, the Deputy Minister of the publication, reiterated the ministry's firm support for the political experts and the media. Political analysts present at the event remarked that the forces of the Islamic Emirate responded to aggression with unmatched courage, a response unparalleled in the country's history. Maulavi Rouhani Qiyasi, the first secretary of the Embassy of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Doha, participated in the opening ceremony of the first session of the second legislative term of Qatar's Shura Council. In accordance with the Embassy of Afghanistan in Doha, the session was inaugurated by Sheikh Tamim bin Ahmad Al Thani, the Emir of Qatar. The event was attended by senior officials from various institutions of the host country, as well as representatives of foreign embassies and international organizations. The news continuation. The Minister of Justice has announced that the Special Court for cases related to usurped Emirati land in Central Zone has declared the ownership of a housing project known as Said Ishaq Gilani Township, located in Surhud, the district of Nangarhar province, as Emirati property. Based on the ministry, the court, after thoroughly reviewing the documents and evidence, ruled that the entire area of township, measuring 5,650 jaribs, is the property of the Islamic Emiratis. And here is the last news. The Turkish parliament has approved a presidential motion to extend the deployment of Turkish military forces in Iraq and Syria for another additional 3 years. According to Turkish media, the motion was signed by the President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, and the continued presence of those forces has been justified as part of efforts to combat terrorism and maintain regional security. We've reached to the end of our Today news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.